Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Laniqua and you have tuned in to see how I do this simple DIY of achieving the split under the bum distressed look. You will need to have the pair of jeans that you want to use. I would suggest having a pair of jeans that are really tight and fit your bum really well. You will need scissors, tweezers, a measuring tool, and right there I have a seams ripper that makes it really easy to cut the fabric or like remove a piece of thread. So I'm going to use that to help with the process of distressing the jeans. So I went and tried on a pen so that I can show you guys how they naturally fit. So you can see right now I'm like showing you guys like where you could place your split. Like you can do it right under the tush, or you can do it like about 1.5 inches down, or you can even go 3 inches down. I decided that I was going to go about 1.5 inches down, about 2 inches. I think that's what it was. So I did mine's 2 inches down. So you guys just do what you're comfortable with. Like I wanted to keep mine's tastefully flattering, but not, you know, like it's going to be a hot girl summer, but it's not going to be like super trashy or anything. Not saying that those who have theirs like right under the button, their butt cheeks hanging out, is trashy. That's just their prerogative, okay?
I've been running away from you. I've been trying to keep my cool. I see what your colors shining through. Yeah, I do, that I do. Is it too much to ask?